Stop having new landlords and residents walk out the door as soon as you get them in. Do you want to know the secret sauce on how to retain your owners and your tenants for longer and how to keep happier owners and tenants? Then keep watching this video. Here's the part nobody talks about and the biggest problem. You spend all the time, money, energy chasing the lead. You followed up 14 times. You built the rapport. You overcame the objections. And then finally, they signed the property management agreement. Then, silence. Or worse, chaos. This is where most property management companies drop the ball, right after they win. The onboarding process becomes inconsistent, owners and tenants feel forgotten or confused, and suddenly your win starts to unravel and everyone gets frustrated. So what's the real cost of a weak handoff? Well, imagine booking a flight and hearing nothing from the airline after checkout. No itinerary, no boarding time, nothing. You booked the flight, but you don't know what to expect next. You'd probably be anxious, frustrated, and second-guessing your decision. Yeah, well, that's exactly how your client feels when owners don't get updates during the leasing process, when tenants don't know how to pay rent, when your team gets slammed with questions that should have been answered up front. The bottom line is that unclear expectations create stress for them and for you and your team. Essentially, it's death by 1,000 preventable questions. Why this guide exists and what it fixes. This isn't just an onboarding checklist, it's your retention strategy. Here's what it gives you. A 90-day journey for both owners and tenants, touchpoints, emails, videos to eliminate all of the uncertainty, and a way to automate communication without losing that personal touch. Because at the end of the day, happy owners stay, educated tenants renew, and your team stops drowning in all the hand-holding. If you want to know how to build trust from day one, then let's walk through some of the touch points in the guide. Day one, send a welcome email. It sets the tone and introduces what to expect next. I mean, even before that, when you're having them sign the property management agreement, the conversation should go like, okay, thank you so much. We look forward to working with you. Now, this is what to expect next. People want to know what to expect. Why not mail them a gift and have an onboarding call, right? Give them reassurance, give them clarity, and then that's going to equal even more trust. Weekly leasing updates. Do an email and a quick Loom video. It's going to calm that why isn't the property rented yet anxiety, which we know all happens. The first rent payment email. It clearly outlines the disbursements to prevent financial confusion. Quarterly review and check-in, right? Check in every quarter. I know it sounds crazy, but it's a very simple system to implement. This will shift the relationship from transactional to strategic. These touch points, they're more than just to-dos. They're emotional anchors. Okay, let me repeat that. Emotional anchors. That is so important to understand when you're working with your customers. They guide your owners through, did I make the right decision phase, and into the long-term partnership phase. Make sense? And then let's talk about tenant onboarding, how to set expectations that actually stick. Looking at the tenant journey, welcome and move-in checklist, right? Give them a welcome and move-in checklist. Send it in an email. Stop the last-minute panic that they're having, not knowing what to expect and having your phones blow up in the office. Rent payment and portal access. Cut down the, I didn't know about the late fees, right? Let's educate them along the way. A maintenance guide to clarify what's urgent and what's not. Lease rules, right? To reduce future violations, things that they should know in their lease. Renewal and move-out prep. Prevent the angry exits and deposit fights. Wouldn't that be great? Not having your tenants, after they leave, asking you, where's my security deposit? Why did you take this out? Like, educate them beforehand. Think of it like giving your tenants a playbook. If they know what to expect, it's going to make them better renters. And isn't that what we all really want? This guide is going to come with pre-written email templates for the owner and the tenant, suggested short video topics to walk them through the key emotional areas, right? The key emotional touch points. You can film these with your phone. Don't do anything fancy. Just talk like you're explaining it to a friend. Keep it simple. You're handing them a GPS, not a scribbled map on a napkin. So why does this matter? So you can scale without stress. What does this add up to? Well, fewer calls from confused clients, less pressure on your team, more renewals, better reviews, longer retention. Yes, I'll say it again, more renewals, better reviews, longer retention. You're not just managing properties, you're managing expectations. And when expectations are clear, everything else runs smoother. So use this guide, win long term, don't lose them after the yes. This guide shows you how to turn a new client into a loyal one. It's going to build trust before the questions and frustrations show up. And you'll be able to grow your business through systems, not through stress. You'll find the link to download the resource in the description below. And if you want support implementing, hey, no problem. We have coaching programs from group coaching all the way to one-on-one and consulting that will help you solve problems exactly like this. The link is below in the description. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to our channel, like this video, get more content, and we look forward to seeing you soon.